Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. I hope you all are learning your lessons very well. So, now I welcome you all to yet another online Hindi class. Let's start. So, today we are going to learn how to write Vyanjans ta, tha, the, dha and na. We have already done that before in our orals. So now let us begin with the writing part. Alright students, so today we are going to learn the letters ta, tha, the, dha, na. Let us begin. त से तरबूज, थ से थर्मस, द से दवात, ध से धनुष and न से नल. So we'll start from ta. So first we'll draw a standing line. Then from the middle of the standing line we'll draw a sleeping line and then we'll curve it downwards like this. So this becomes ta. Now see it again. First we'll draw a standing line. Then from the center we'll draw a sleeping line and then we will take it to downwards. So it becomes ta. Now we will draw ta without the tracing lines. Let us see. Standing line. From the middle we will draw a sleeping line and bring it downwards like this, and a overhead sleeping line like this. No Hindi akshar is completed without overhead sleeping line. Now see it for the last time. Standing line, sleeping line and then bring it downwards like this. This becomes ta. Now the next is tha. For tha, first we will draw standing line. Then we will draw a small circle near the top line of the Hindi ruled copy and then a overhead sleeping line like this, or we can do it the other way around. First we'll draw the circle, then the curved line. Curved line is like S, students, and then the standing line like this. And don't forget to draw the overhead sleeping line after the circle. Don't draw the overhead sleeping line over the circle. Now see it again. Circle, curved line, standing line, and then the overhead sleeping line. See it again. Circle, curved line, standing line, then the overhead sleeping line. Now the next is the. So students, you have already drawn ta, dha. So you all know the pattern. First we will draw dha. You all know how to write dha se dhakkan, and then we have to just extend the small circle of dha in a tail form like this. First we'll draw dha and then we will extend the circle like this, like a tail, and this will become da se dawat. It's very easy, students. You all know how to write ta and dha, so the becomes very easy automatically. First we'll draw dha and then you will extend the circular into a tail. Now the next is dha. Dha se dhanush. So in dha, first you will draw a circle just like you have drawn in tha. Then you will make two curved lines in the same way you made in gha. Gha se ghar. घ से घर में जैसे हम लोगों ने ट्री जैसे टू कर्व लाइंस बनाए थे, वैसे ही इसमें भी बनेगा. और जो ओवरहेड स्लीपिंग लाइन है, दैट यू विल ड्रॉ आफ्टर द सर्कल. You will not draw the sleeping line over the circle. Now see it once again. First we'll draw the circle, then the two curved lines, then overhead sleeping line after the circle. Now we will draw it without the tracing lines. Circle, two curved lines, standing line, sleeping line. Circle, two curved lines, standing line, sleeping line. Now this middle dha has become a little tilted, so we'll do it again. Let us see it again. So students, you know how to make gha. It will be very easy for you to make dha as well. Dha se dhanush. Circle, two curved lines and standing line and a overhead sleeping line. Now the last is na. Na se null. So for na se null, first you will draw the standing line, then the sleeping line, and then a small triangle downwards like this and an overhead sleeping line. Let us see it again. Standing line. Just from the center of the standing line you will take out a sleeping line, a triangle downwards, and then a overhead sleeping line. Now see it once again. Standing line, sleeping line, a triangle downwards and a sleeping line upwards, overhead. Now see it once again. Standing. First we have drawn the overhead sleeping line, then the standing line. From the middle of the standing line we'll draw a sleeping line and then a triangle downwards. So this completes your fourth line of Vyanjan ta, tha, da, dha, na. So thank you dear students for your time. I hope you have learned it all and you will practice it at home. Goodbye.